In this tutorial you'll learn how to obtain a Graduex offer letter. Let's create an application for Graduex. Choose United Kingdom as the country. Select Graduex from the university drop-down. Fill in the student's previous academic details. Pick the desired course from the drop-down menu. Double-check all entries for accuracy. Click Create Application. Confirm all details are correct in the application. Ensure required documents are uploaded to the Drive folder. After verifying all details, click Submit for quality check. Once the quality check is approved, the Download Offer Letter button will appear. Click the button to download the offer letter. In case you want any updates in the offer letter, edit the course name and update the application. Then re-download the offer letter. If you encounter any issues, contact the support team for assistance.